Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Blomberg dishwasher. First, ensure your dishwasher is empty and ready for loading. Proper loading is key for sparkling results, so arrange your dishes carefully. Next, add the correct amount of detergent and rinse aid. Finally, choose the wash cycle that best suits your load. When loading, always scrape off large food remnants. Pre-rinsing is not usually necessary. Position larger items like pots and pans in the lower rack, ensuring spray arms can rotate freely. For detergent, fill the dispenser according to your machine's fullness and dish soil level, typically 15 cm3 or 25 cm3. Don't forget to fill the rinse aid dispenser to prevent watermarks and improve drying. Your Blomberg dishwasher offers various cycles. Select a program that matches the level of soiling on your dishes for the best results. For smaller loads, consider using the half-load function, which can save up to 15% in energy and water. Once your cycle is chosen, press the Start button and close the dishwasher door firmly to begin the wash. To keep your Blomberg dishwasher running efficiently, regular maintenance is important. Clean the filters located at the base of the dishwasher weekly or whenever they become clogged to ensure optimal performance. Also, wipe down the door seal with a damp cloth to prevent grime buildup. If you're looking to truly transform your financial perspective, check out the description below for a link to a fantastic book, *The Simple Path to Wealth*, plus other great deals. Proper care helps extend your appliance's lifespan.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.